In this session, we will explain how to use ELSign to 1. Prepare a document for electronic signature, 2. eSign on desktop, and 3. eSign on mobile devices. Sign any document electronically by going to ELSign on the side navigation bar. To send a document, click ELSign Documents, then upload any Word or PDF document to sign. Click Add Signer and Field to add signers and fields. You can add existing EverLeagues members or add guest signers by entering their name and email. For each signer, select the field types needed for your document. To add a field to your document, simply click on the field and it will appear inside your document. Drag each field to the desired place. Once all the fields are in place, finish by clicking Complete and then Send Invite. Signers who are EverLeagues members can sign documents on the web app in their Received Documents tab. Guest signers can sign on the guest portal, which they can enter through a link they receive via email. This is how you send and receive documents for electronic signature using the EverLeagues ELSign tool on a web browser. You may also e-sign documents on any mobile device by using our mobile app. First, download EverLeagues from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Next, log in with the same username and password as the web app. Finally, go to the Tools section and click ELSign to complete the e-sign process.